Alright, greetings my friends. Happy Friday. I'm glad you stopped by. So I thought I'd take a moment this morning to show you my cooking options. I don't have to be at work till about 11 o'clock today, so we got some time to use wisely. I thought I'd just pull everything out and show you what I'm doing for cooking these days. So I've got a couple of different options here. I think this morning I'm just going to make some toast. Just some butter toast with a little jam on it. So I use this little grill top here, and sometimes that's not good enough. Sometimes I have to put it in this, and it's more like a toaster oven this way, and I put that on the stove. So that's probably what I'll do this morning. And if I want to boil some water, I just use my pots and pans. The other morning I made a little omelet, and I just used a non-stick pan for that. And this little Hot Logic is coming in great as a food warmer. You can leave food in this thing all day and it keeps it hot and ready, and it does not dry it out. Let me try to show you why. Get this out of the way. This lid seals around the Pyrex container and it keeps the moisture in. See, this comes with it, and it fits perfectly on the hot plate. And you can make, anything in the morning, put your leftovers in here, seal up the lid. Can't do this with one hand. Just clips around like on the edges there. And zip it up, plug it in, and if you want it for lunch, that's fine. Or if you want to wait until dinner time, it's still going to be nice and warm and moist. It does not dry it out. Best little gizmo ever. Okay, so what I use most for a plate is this baking sheet here. It works good just for using as, to eat your food off of and clean it just like you would a plate. And it goes back in here when everything's said and done. And I guess that's about all we've got to show you on that. I also changed the location of my magnet for my drawer pins to keep the drawer from coming open. I used to have it right here, and it was just in the way. It kept moving around too much. So I just stuck my magnet here, so when I pull my pin locks out, I got a place to put them so I won't lose them. Alright guys, well I appreciate your time today. Have a great Friday. Take care, be well, smash the bell.